Over 90% of tool users require tools for both hand and power applications. The decision on which tool to use is often made only after arriving at the job site, whereas Craftform Compact puts you in control with a single compact and versatile tool for both types of operations. Craftform Compact makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Push the button on the end of the Craftform handle to reveal 6 different screwdriver bits. The bits are easily removed. The remaining bits are conveniently stored in the handle for future use. 2. The Rapidaptor Quick Release Chuck makes it fast and easy to install the bits, and to remove them just as easily with just one hand. No other tools are required. The free spinning outer ring stabilizes the screwdriver without damage to the skin. 3. Push down the locking collar and the spring-load extension is released, and the compact tool becomes a full-size screwdriver. Push down the collar button again until it clicks. Now you can remove the extension and use it as a power tool bit adapter. The extension is easily inserted back into the handle by pushing down on the locking collar. And more, the ergonomic shape of the Craftform handle provides better turning power with less effort, whereas patented Craftform handle design is proven to reduce user fatigue and increase productivity. Craftform Compact, another innovation from Wera.